guys, welcome back to another HF Auto video. Today I got something a little bit different for you guys. As you can see, we're out here in like a dirt road. Got some snow out here. We're actually testing my new truck. The last truck I owned was a Toyota Tundra, and I got something pretty cool, and I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. So here is my new to me Raptor. I've always wanted one of these. I've always been in love with the idea of like the Baja trucks and how they just, you know, fly over these jumps at like 100 miles an hour. So I finally got one of my own. Stars kind of aligned on this one. I wasn't really in the market for one, but this one came up and I couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't. So yeah, here it is. It's a 2014 Ford Raptor SVT. So this one's got the 6.2 liter big V8. It's got some aftermarket wheels already with some 35-inch Wild Peaks. 6.2 liter. I'm seeing if maybe we could get a little sideways, see if we could have some fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. I guess I'm able to talk to you guys too while I record this video. I'm gonna turn around here, see if maybe one of these corners is a little more drift friendly. Lick skillet. Looks like we rolled up on a little town. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments below, guys, what you think of the Raptor content. Like I said, I've always wanted one of these, so. It's almost like I need to have this thing in first gear. I will say, drifting a truck is a whole different game, guys. Especially out here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but down there, that's a cliff. So, and I don't think that guardrail is stopping this big ass truck, so that's why I'm taking it kind of easy. Should still make for a cool video with exhaust noise and everything. guys. Can't beat that.